Hello guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how to manage a file in the repository, right? Today I will show you how to manage file in the repository. So it's going to be a short video just to show you how to manage file in the repository. So if you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And you can also follow us on other social media such as Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram, LinkedIn as well. So much talking, let's jump into the topic. So let's go ahead and, for example, let's go take a simple repository. So I will click here. Let me look something simple. I will take this teaching 03, which is a simple repository, and I can create a file, for example, with some content, right? I can create a file. So let's go add a file. Let's call it, for example, file 03, for example, right? Then let's put some content inside the file. So we can go on Google. Got it? You can go on Google and get some content. So let's go on Google and just type what is DevOps, right? You can type what is DevOps in Google, and we just need to copy something simple. I just need a text that I can dump on my file, right? Something simple like this one. Then I will create my file. So I go back to my repository. So I created this file. If I click here, you will see the content. So how do we manage file in GitHub? For example, I have 3 files here on GitHub. Now, let's start with editing the file. If I want to add a content or delete the content on the file, I will click on the file name, right? If I want to add or delete the content on the file, we click on the file name. As you can see on the left side, GitHub will show you the tree, right? You can see your tree file here, but look at how this file number 3 is highlighted, meaning that that's the file that I'm working on right now. If I can click here to change the file, I click here to change the file. So we are working on this now. How do I add or remove content into this file? It's simple. You just have to come here and open this pen here. Come here, open this pen here. Then I can remove stuff, for example. I can go ahead and remove these 2 lines. Then I can commit back. See, I've updated my file. Then I can also do the same thing. I can add some content on that. Type something simple. I will add that content on my file. As you guys can see here, I can even also download this file, right? If I click here, I will download this file. So you guys can see I have downloaded this file. You can download the file as well. So, or you can copy the content of this file, right? I can click here to copy. I will copy the content of the entire file, right? I can open, for example, VS Code. I can open, for example, VS Code. Let me bring the VS Code over. I can open, for example, VS Code here. Then I can paste this. That's the content of the file that I copied earlier, right? You can see the content of the file that I copied earlier. Or you can also see the raw file, right? You can click here to see the raw file, right? If I copy this, I can see the content of the raw file. It's something I can copy, right? See raw file here. Now, I can also delete this file if I want, right? I can delete this file if I want to delete the file. I click on the file name, then I just have to come to this 3 dot. I click here. I can either download here as well. I can copy the path of this file. I can do everything. Then I can also delete the file here. If I click here, delete, it will say commit change. So the file is gone. As you guys can see, that file is here, right? The file is gone. I've gotten the file deleted, right? I'm getting the file actually deleted. So that's how you manage file in GitHub. So you can copy, you can download, you can edit a file, you can delete a file in GitHub. You can do everything. You can get the file path. For example, you can do everything that you want on the file. I hope you like the video. See you guys on the next video. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Ciao.